and my pops, I remembered that I only could control this. What am I talking about?
Your actions. Your mind.
My mind. My mind, brother. What you tell yourself about yourself is true. What you tell yourself about yourself is true. Right? So I really had to start figuring out how I was going to tell myself a different story. This is all before I can even begin to handle business. You got to get your mind right first. And I'm not talking about the kind of mind where you faking the funk, where you putting on just to impress other people. I'm talking about living a life without fear. Right? So I ask you, if you didn't have any fear, what would you do with your life?